Protein bars are a boon for people on a diet. They make it very easy to stick to our macros while on the go. But the high protein bars available in the market are a pinch on the pocket. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make these high protein, high fiber bars at home. For the exact measurement of ingredients and macros, check the link in the description box of the video. We are making 4 protein bars. For this, we'll use 1 cup of oats, half of which I powder in the food processor to make oats flour. I add this oats flour to the remaining half cup of whole oats and mix using a fork. Then I add 4 scoops of chocolate whey protein. You can use any flavor of your choice and get your protein bars flavored accordingly. Then I add some chopped almonds. You can add any dry fruits, nuts and seeds of your choice. Now we keep this dry mixture separately and start making the wet ingredients. Add peanut butter to lukewarm milk. If the milk is not warm enough, it won't mix well. I use homemade peanut butter. The link will be in the I button. Add some honey. This will sweeten the bars and also help bind them. Whisk everything very well. Then add the dry mixture gradually and mix and add again and mix. Add little at a time so that it's easy to mix. When everything is mixed well, place it in a silicone mold. I use a bread loaf mold. I will share the online links to buy all these products in the bottom description box. Now keep this in the freezer for half an hour. Don't keep it for longer as that will make these bars too hard and difficult to cut. Now cut the bars into desired shape and keep them back in the freezer. Grab a bar whenever you want to have. This is a great meal replacement. You can also wrap this in plastic paper and carry with you. So that's how you can make these high protein, high fiber bars at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do like, share and comment. This will motivate me to make more such recipe videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.